Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can archive messages on Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the chat section, people, and lastly, stories. So right now, I'm gonna go back to chat and here in chats, you're going to find your friends' stories. And here you're going to find all of your conversations. So, right now, for example, if you want to archive any conversation, just go ahead and hold the conversation you want to archive. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find all of these options: archive, delete, add members, leave group, mute, open chat head, and lastly, mark as unread. Go ahead and click on archive. And as you can see, guys, right now, the chat is directly archived. So right now, if you want to access all of your archived conversations, go ahead and click on the sandwich icon in the top left corner. Once you do that, right here, you're going to find chats, marketplace, message requests, and lastly, you're going to find archive. Go ahead and click on archive. And once you do that right here, you're going to find all of your archived conversations. So go ahead and hold the message you want to unarchive, and then here you're going to find unarchive. So we're going to click on it, and then we're going to go back to chat. And as you can see, guys, it will be added right here. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.